There is a problem and it needs a solution.
You got me running.
Before we start with the main problem, let's try and fix this problem. A couple of minutes on the clock, let's go. I'm doing a bit of research for you guys, just to let you guys know the goods and the bads. Not really the bads, but the goods of using apple cider vinegar on your hair. So I did ask Google if it is good to use apple cider vinegar on your hair, and this is what they said. They said apple cider vinegar is praised for being rich in vitamins and minerals for good hair, like vitamin C and B. Some also claim it contains alpha hydrox acid, which helps exfoliate scalp, skin, and it's anti-inflammatory, which can help with dandruff. And you guys saw my problem, and that is exactly why I'm using apple cider vinegar.
You ready? You got me running, got me running. Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Raise your hands up. Raise them up.
Oh my god, wow. So guys, the sun is going down, as you can see. I'm sure you can see Vigehammer is a bit. So the sun is going down. I'm gonna go and wash my hair.